Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Instagram account's password without an old password. So keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by opening Apple web browser and in the URL box type in www.instagram.com and press enter. If you're logged into your Instagram, make sure to log out of it first, and once you do, in the sign in area, click on Forgotten Your Password link. Go ahead and enter your email address associated with your Instagram account in the text box. Soon after you do that, click on Send Login Link. Now you'll receive an inbox from Instagram. Simply click Open Your Inbox and click on Reset Your Password link. This will take you to a new tab. You'll get to choose a new password you would like to change to for your Instagram account. Type in the new password into the text box. Make sure to enter the password that is easier for you to remember next time. Now confirm the new password by typing it again in the next text box. Finally, click Reset Password button. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to change your password. You'll now need to verify with a security code that has been sent to you via SMS. Type in the code that you received in the text box and click Confirm. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to change your password for your Instagram account without using your old password. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.